everyone, welcome to AKF's Tech Bytes. Today I'm going to start my day 3 Linux journey. In my Windows 10 desktop, it's very easy to create files, right? For that, let's go to the start menu, and after that, obviously, Microsoft Office is the ultimate software that we often use to create files. So this is the Microsoft Office, and again, I'm going to use Microsoft 365, the latest Office, right? Now in Linux Mint, I don't have any Microsoft Office. So this is the Microsoft 365. Now it's very easy to use for presentation, document creation, and worksheet preparation, right? But in Linux Mint, we don't have any Microsoft Office. Let's go to the start menu and find out if it's available or not. Now in the Office, yes, we don't have any MS Office. Instead of that, we have LibreOffice. So let's open the LibreOffice and try if we can create document files. Let's explore what are the documents we can create with the help of LibreOffice. Yes, write a document, next spreadsheet, and presentation. So we can create all three types of documents here. But today I am not going to use the LibreOffice. Instead, I am going to try a new word processing software. Yes, you heard it right. And that's the WPS Office. To download the WPS Office, let's open Firefox web browser. In Google, search for WPS. Let's go to the WPS.com to download WPS Office software. Now it's time to download the WPS package. Here I'm going to download the dev package because the Linux Mint is based on Debian. So that's why dev package is applicable for Linux Mint. Once the download is complete, let's go to the download folder. Now right click on the file and open with package installer. It will install the software in the Linux Mint operating system. Now the installation is complete. You can find the WPS icon in the desktop. I have gone through all the sections of creating documents. First, doc file, next, Excel, and at the last, PPT. So I think WPS is an alternative to MS Office. I'm going to wrap up the video tutorial. Thank you for watching the video